University of Rome La Sapienza Review. App: the pros, the cons. If you're considering studying at one of Europe's largest universities, the University of Rome La Sapienza app promises to simplify your academic life, but does it deliver? One of the biggest pros is academic accessibility. Most people get this wrong by assuming it only offers course listings. In reality, the app provides access to schedules, exam dates, lecture notes, and even campus maps. You can also track your grades and receive notifications for deadlines, making it easier to stay organized. Another advantage is student services integration. The app allows you to manage enrollment, request transcripts, and access library resources from your phone. It also provides updates about campus events, workshops, and opportunities, which helps you stay engaged beyond the classroom. However, there are cons. Some users report occasional glitches, especially during peak registration periods. Navigation can be confusing for new students, and not all departments fully integrate their services into the app, which may require switching to web platforms for certain tasks. In conclusion, the University of Rome La Sapienza app is a practical tool for students who want to stay organized, access academic resources, and manage campus life from a single platform. The surprising truth is that while it's highly useful, its effectiveness depends on how fully your faculty or department supports it. If you're planning to study at La Sapienza, this app can be a great companion, but take the time to familiarize yourself with its features to get the most out of it.